Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get dividends on Webull. Dividends are essentially a portion of a company's profits distributed to its shareholders, a reward for your investment. To receive these payments through Webull, the fundamental step is to own shares of companies or exchange-traded funds that are known to pay dividends. Webull handles the entire process automatically once you hold these eligible assets in your account, making it straightforward for investors. Finding dividend-paying investments on Webull is quite simple. You can utilize Webull's robust screening tools, which allow you to filter stocks and ETFs based on various criteria, including dividend yield. Pay close attention to a company's dividend history and its financial stability to ensure consistent payouts. A higher dividend yield might seem attractive, but always research the underlying company to understand its ability to maintain those payments over time. Understanding the dividend payment timeline is crucial. The ex-dividend date is key. You must purchase shares before this date to be eligible for the upcoming dividend. If you buy on or after the ex-dividend date, the previous owner receives that payment. The record date follows, identifying shareholders. Finally, the payment date is when the dividend cash is deposited into your Webull account, usually a few weeks after the record date. Once a dividend is paid, the cash is automatically deposited into your Webull brokerage account. From there, you have two main options. You can either keep the cash or choose to reinvest it. Webull offers an automatic dividend reinvestment program, often called a DRIP, which allows you to use your dividend payments to purchase more shares of the same stock or ETF, typically commission-free, helping to compound your returns over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.